Right, and everybody, without further ado, let me invite Mr. Jeremy Chan, right, the chairman of Singapore Space and Technology Limited, up to the stage for the opening address. Mr. Jeremy Chan, please.
Mr. Heng Swee Keat, Deputy Prime Minister of Singapore, Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates and partners, a very warm welcome to the Global Space and Technology Convention 2024. It is truly an honor to be among such esteemed experts and colleagues, not just in the space industry, but many other sectors that cross paths with space. Over the past few conventions, the space sector has grown into a rising economic pillar, not just for traditional spacefaring nation. The increasing participation of the private sector in the space, the lower cost of launch and space activities, the broader understanding and acceptance of space-based technology are all coming together to make space a leader at the top of the global innovation agenda. So this year's convention rightly puts particular emphasis on the sustainability, security, and smart city agenda, global challenges that the world must solve together. In our current era, the world faces challenges that demand a global push for sustainability like never before. Climate change, resource depletion, and environmental degradation press upon us, urging us to seek innovative solution. It is in this moment of urgency that we have turned our eyes towards space, seeking inspiration and breakthroughs that can propel us towards a sustainable future. Space, with its vast potential and untapped resources, becomes a beacon of hope in our pursuit of sustainability. It offers us opportunities to harness renewable energy, responsibly extract resources, and conduct research that can inform sustainable practices on Earth. Commercial space tech will also prove a pivotal moment in scaling voluntary carbon markets. It will ensure that carbon projects are reliable, accurate, and transparent. Space life science experiments can point the way to a more resilient crop and more sustainable agricultural practices. This will dramatically improve food security. These are critical considerations in international climate policy and will be a backbone on which many of our global efforts against climate change can be built. As we embark on this journey, let us strive not only for technological advancement, but for the future that respects the delicate balance of our planet. The role of space is powering smart cities cannot be overstated. In the global smart nation movement, space emerges as the proverbial eyes in the sky, poised to power the next big data revolution. The connectivity and data insights derived from space technology will create a paradigm shift. This will impact many aspects of the smart city agenda and accelerate the digitalization of government, economy, and society. Most importantly, the smart city agenda comes hand in hand with the global push for sustainable development, and space is the unifying enabler for innovation across a smarter, more sustainable world. Alongside the sustainability and smart city agenda is the global urgent need for a more secure world. From cybersecurity and defense to disaster management, we stand at the threshold of a new age powered by space technology. The increased accessibility and phenomenal advances in space capabilities enable us to innovate and address security challenges on a global scale and increase cooperation. As we navigate the uncharted territory of space, it is crucial to recognize the growing importance of space as a global economic pillar. From the satellite communication to commercial space infrastructure, the space economy is becoming a significant contributor to a global GDP. The commercialization of space not only fuels innovation, but also creates job opportunities, fosters technology advancement, and stimulates economic growth. Underscoring this growing importance of space as an economic pillar, we are proud to announce that the United Kingdom is the convention's featured country for a second year. The UK is a long-term strategic partner for Singapore Space and Technology Limited and the GSTC. Our partnership began in 2022, where Singapore Space and Technology Limited inked an agreement with the UK Science and Technology Facility Council to encourage two-way deal flows between Singapore and the UK. The partnership has grown each year, marked by significant initiatives. A right-share agreement to make space exploration, research, and development more accessible, and a real-time monitoring services for the steel industry, a fundamental step in tracking Earth resources and moving our sustainability agenda forward. What this partnership emphasizes is not just the depth of the Singapore-UK space relationship, but how space technology are reimagining our everyday lives. Let me take this opportunity to thank the British High Commission and the UK STFC for this long-term partnership and commitment. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our previous executive chairman, Jonathan Hang, who pioneered the Global Space and Technology Convention, and wish him all the best in his new role at the Office of Space Technology and Industry, Singapore. With the space industry growing in importance, we look forward to working even closer with Austin to bring industry, government, and the global innovation agenda together. To conclude, the GSTC conference remains a world-class global platform to solidify partnership that advance the commercial and strategic value of space. Thank you for being part of our growing space ecosystem and for working to advance the global space agenda together. Thank you for your continued support, and I wish you a successful conference.